Alright, instead of telling you what should happen, let me show you exactly what I did. From the moment I opened Temu to the results I ended up with. No skipping, no fake reactions. The first thing I didn't do was start shopping. That's what I used to do. And honestly, it never led to anything exciting. This time I did something different. Before I searched for a single product, I activated the code that's on the screen. Not because every code is the same, because after comparing a bunch of them, this was the one that consistently gave me the best combination of coupon bundles and free gift offers. So I started there. A few seconds later, I noticed the app was already looking different. More coupon offers, more reward banners, more free gift promotions than I normally see. That was the first sign I was off to a better start. Only then did I start browsing. I picked a few products I actually liked, looked through the reward section, and kept following the offers the app suggested. As I continued, more things started appearing. Extra coupon bundles, bonus reward opportunities, new free gift offers. The experience kept building instead of staying flat. Out of curiosity, I repeated the same process later with a random code from another video. Same account, same shopping session, completely different outcome. The offers felt smaller, the coupon bundles were weaker, and the reward section was nowhere near as active. That's when I stopped believing all Temu codes were basically the same. From everything I tested, the code on the screen consistently gave me the strongest overall experience. Not just one discount, but a better combination of bigger coupon bundles, stronger savings, and more free gift opportunities throughout the session. Now let's keep this honest. Did I instantly unlock every reward? No. Did every offer stay the same? No. Promotions can change and different accounts may see different deals. But if someone asked me where to start today, I wouldn't tell them to hunt through dozens of random working codes. I'd tell them to start with the code on the screen, because out of everything I tested, that's the one I'd actually use again. Try the code on screen before you do anything else, then come back and tell me what changed first. Your coupon offers, your free gift section, or both.